Welcome to Redneck Outfitters, where the labor's cheap and the advice is free. Thanks for joining us. Well, the bug project is coming along pretty well. I got a little more priming, sanding to do underneath the front there, and just a little bit more in the back, and then I can start on the inside and see where we're at, see where all our flaws are, what needs to be fixed. And so far it doesn't look too bad. I had a couple of holes back in the back there that I've kind of patched up. I'm not finished with them, but once we get it all together, get it all sanded down, get it all ready, I'll make sure I'll take plenty of pictures of it, and you can all see how it turned out. So hopefully today, it's going to be cool today, so I'm hoping to get a lot of hours in today out here and get a lot done. So stay tuned. If you like, subscribe, keep an eye on what we're doing here. I always like critique. I don't get offended if somebody says, hey, you're doing something wrong, or hey, why don't you do it this way? Any kind of time-saving, money-saving tips that pan out that actually the work looks good, I'm all for. So I'm no expert, but stay tuned with us. This is where I left off the other day, getting half of the hood area, if you will, cleaned up. And this is how it turned out after I got the rest of it cleaned up. So it looks pretty nice. I think it's going to work out well. Found some Bondo in the back end on the left side, bottom. Also found some on the front end, big crack. Gonna have to do some repair there, but gonna have to do some more sanding, find out how bad it is. That's the underneath part of the front. Most of it was surface rust, so it cleaned up pretty well. There was my office for today. What a mess, but cleaned up real nice. Yeah, just a little elbow grease, a little bit of time. That back piece I left in there, I'm not sure what that is. It's kind of a crisscross hard. I don't know if it's kind of for heat and sound or what, but it was in good shape, so I left it. Got all the roof, the inside tore out. You can see some rough spots up there. That's the glue. It's no big deal. You ain't never going to see it. But everything else is in pretty good shape. I did notice a couple little bitty small holes that I might have to patch. That's a little bit of starting the door work. Just getting everything cleaned up on the inside there. They had plastic in there for the moisture, the rain or whatever, so it wouldn't get in the windows and into the doors, and it worked because there was really no rust in there on either door. The door jambs, heater, that's the heater channels run through there also. They're in real good shape. I don't think I'm going to have to do much work there. That's the other door, of course, and pretty soon I got a stumper coming on this next video. But I thought I was going to have to call hazmat, 54 years or whatever worth of crap there. So, but this one here stumped me. So right here is one of the damnedest things I ever seen. And I can hear the words of my grandpa right now going, the hell you do. I'm trying to figure out how you remove this rear view mirror here. There's these little black things. I don't know if that's supposed to be an alien face or what the hell that's supposed to be. But there's no screws in there. It's like, well, what the hell, how the hell does you do this? All you do, grab it, twist it, and it pulls right out. Huh? Them fucking Germans or something else, ain't they? I would have never in my life thought of that. Everything else is screwed in, but this thing, twist and pull. Put it back in. You just twist and put it in place. Crazy, man.